What we do here is we help the countries in a number of ways. We help them with expertise. We have a panel of experts, so we advise countries as to how to go about, doing electrification using solar. That is one. We help them to set up structures, regulatory structures, and without these structures, you can't have an electricity system. For an electricity system, you need structures. You need regulatory structures. You need structures in terms of generation being linked to transmission, being linked to distribution. So physical structures and regulatory structures, all these are linked. So we advise them with that. We advise them, we make available experts who go and help them doing that. And we bear the cost. The transmission alliance bears the cost. And we help the countries also by carrying out projects, small projects, so that we can demonstrate in those countries as to how useful these are. Now, up till now, most of these projects have been like solarizing of health centers. Now, that's huge. Why is it huge? Because you can keep your vaccines for longer. The vaccines need a cold chain. You can do that, using solar and battery. So suddenly, this becomes a lifesaver. We have projects for lighting up schools, primary schools. We have projects for cold chain for the agriculture, small cold storages for agricultural use. And all these have a major impact in the countries where these are set up. But the most important contribution which we want to make, which we need to make, is to make sure that investment goes to these countries. And to do that, we have decided to set up a fund which will provide security for these investments. Only then will investments go. So an insurance fund, if you will, a payment security fund, if you will, so that